Tina Nkofo no yebe pamu chief justice and yebe teaching Nkofo to masa. Atanos your law professor. Ono going to me to see MPP for to under President Akufo. Because the law does not work in your anus. Because the law does not work in your anus. Because the law does not work in your anus. The law does not work in your stomach. The law certainly does not work in your mouth. Kwachi mobi na da so kwachi. NBC winning this weekend there 1 week. Oh, you cannot catch anybody focus.
What is Obi TV so just John Mahama be the president 5 days pe. John Mahama your president. John Mahama a president elect. Achichede no da ho so as president. John Mahama be president of Ghana after 7th of January. What is Obi TV so just John Mahama be the president 5 days pe. John Mahama your president. John Mahama a president elect. Achichede no da ho so as president. John Mahama be president of Ghana after 7th of January. Enti say say obi ti radio so ana TV so na obi na no ka say John Mahama so be chini patum na wabedi ye 2 man 5 years na nchi obi a sa nipa no yekwase ba enye ono na yekwase o nipa owo no so yekwase a efri say say why na adwene we si na adwene pise apaso dada and a typical example is that Ashawo ni na friend no Ekuya Poki no yeah
Tina Nkofo no yebe pamu chief justice and yebe teaching Nkofo to masa atanos your law professor ono going to me to see MPP for to under President Akufo. What do you think? I call court and any Nkofo be say you call airport. Do you have the goddamn right to stop somebody who put on a valid passport, put on a valid ticket from traveling, unless you have a court order? Me mo beyond we didn't try and Chelsea bet me airport. I got you way. What the hell? Ooh, that idea. Yeah, me so I am Nkofo that I oh. They have a court teaching way. Court teaching why? Why not? Do you have an order? Do you have a police report? Do you have a bench warrant or a search warrant? You don't have. You have not even filed any complaint with anybody. Say, I'm not teaching Nkofo police. Busa Tamil so buy a rolling to catch us one teaching Nkofo to be teaching you. Because the law does not work in your anus. The law does not work in your stomach. The law certainly does not work in your mouth. The law works within the jurisdiction of Ghana. Who need to me? I want to me kochi who take. Let's now full soldier now confront that down and the other chiwe and evidence. Opuni case, you starting opuni case. 8 years they came opuni case now. Opuni case, you starting opuni case now. Opuni one and opuni fertilizer. 8 years was show down. Oh, the old guys say, yeah, you look quite kochi mobi na da so kochi. NBC winning this weekend there 1 week. Oh, you cannot catch anybody foco unless you have a proper law. Now, if you want to you lawyers, a fancy lawyers. Kochi, would you over to me a corner kochi? So if you can go and kochi, Masa, me say, man, won't BP. Don't give yourself blood pressure. Ghana politics.
Jantre nipa, wabo international jantre di abewo bejikrata. That is a typical disease of a journalist. And you see, sometimes I'm a man for because say, oh Kevin, nipebu ha, I don't know can see me. Yes, Kevin didn't batter me and your ban your bow. Share me first I didn't know you. Say Kevin did your batter me, you were bar with Jimmy and the old bar no answer. So with me, I don't look at whether your bar now your bema. Me who send you with Jimmy or with Jimmy. So you can't intimidate me with Kevin there. We did your bottom. What the heck? The Oba bit my and Bema bit my Oba we kwasia. Oba with Jimmy. Bema we kwasia na Bema with Jimmy. So this is not the time for you. Make my trust idea no. It is Ekuya Poki in the likes no. The dirty, filthy international prostitutes no. Mutumi to kwa bruchire be wo je pepa no. Sa ankofo no. Mon kan kire mo say John Mahama or say ye the 2 mission in sema ya to ababa John Mahama ye ndane 2 mission in sem ejimi for ma. And these are the things you need to set the records on, because there are so many people on radio and TV today, on social media, speaking on politics. Ghana John Mahama will be president. As we speak today, ye ni Ghana sike bia mfama John Mahama said this is the taxpayers' money. Says they say a tone swaba obi enyi kapre ma John Mahama. Menemo tie nkwasiafo ma chechede no, the Jubilee House no, we are still paying him with the taxpayers' money. Inti mu agimifo a munnimu nyansa amodwene say ye the tribe na ebe chechire Ghana. Mo nkwasianton bi amobo Any mu Jimmy kasa bi e wo mu any mu nkura asesem ni binti. Some of us are supposed to coil in for you people to misinform and disinform. I swear to God, we are not going anywhere. We are not. After the 7th of January, Akufo Mahama and Simno swear we are question. At this point, shut up your dirty mouth and your stinking international and listen to wisdom. And it's again who've seen your friend Pokino. One can't say me, I am not done. Kwame despite knowing who the only fan is. And I'm going piece of no Jimina, you use almost Poncono, and then it will be Ebo Jantra Bruchi, now OGP, now Kasia for much moving, moon to me, and Kasa, Timuno be a piece of obey. This is what we are talking about. And we are not going to stop. Yebe miamu kwa kopimuso munambu. Yebe miamu. When they wouldn't be able. Me yesho unde we are. Ochina me yesho anu me close to 2025, 24. Obi charge me abeba ansa na afena ende. Me. Obi pa. Ochina your official final show of 2024. Me close shop ochina. Do so a bearman or start jandam abeba. Me to play mukura me to a clay jandam no. Yebe miamu kwa ni block mu hene baako kwasi afoma. Yebe miamu kwa ni block mu hene baako. Mobe kaseti eti ma obi enti mu mmoa. John Mahama will be president. He's not president yet. John Mahama be chini patum intim kam kwasi afo. Na John Mahama ntimi chini pa nke man kwasi afo international. John Mahama bana wanchi obi akra yepe. Aboa. Eyamuda, eyamu ya. Na empete ne tete so no budi nkwasi asem de ade na mwanka se yempa mo mpete no. Ghana fo akoto aba akwa yi nyansani a mo se an John Mahama ontumi nchi obi asa na tie dada na ya penisa ye de ende de ye man. Ye je man shege an ye je man enti age ye man de o se na ni ade na o meje ne man mowa mo gin se mo nyanofo mo ba time a we dey mo yan start show no kra mo dey say ewura 2025 kra ye ewura 2025 am ni kra po nje se mo baba social media ana TV so mo dey ba me say ye ewura 2025 ye ewura 2025 am be jai mo dwuma no shie enti ye ka kire mo John Mahama opekura pa wa be mema ni nya dwuma onda emfa ye ho we wini shogbe oso beje man ndwan kwasi afode te so mo tuma kan jom so mudi nkwasam John Mahama ba ya onfa 2 days mbe kekere Ghana emmoa na mo beto mo maame no no omo tumi 2 days kwasi dan ndwan mo gye se ye beso so mo so sa mo jimi na mo de radio so sa be piapia brochi no me ne sa ekua pokini na ekasa ejadi wechi sa kopim se obepon oya santini obeti de meka na se me de eja be di mochi akopim se obepon pi ne da ho na afia ka se wapon obodam mo de koto de ne bodwe me boa kwasiafo mo titi radio so na mo de mon kwasia tribe mo ni mo hwe so ma bon. Some of the most dumbest women around and it's a girl than who see no sa girl ne friend ekua poki no wa bon ombre no wan sin sua de to weakness no wenim se duase eduase to wig no o your ba te se me be ma te se me a tena TV so na huhuru wenim se amonche abejore wa fa kwasia go obon de be tawasum intia send one no me din kan set platforms no ebe hyemo muntimi recover da. And let me tell you people, someone can kura na nkyere MPP fo a 2028 sa 1.3 million ebe tia ba 700,000 me na me ka kyere mo because we know and we want to save the nation and we will use truth ya de no kure me say me ka kyere mo nkwasiafo ekua pokini na the guitar school stupid fools no someone can kura nkyere mo MPP no amamo ehu se yemfa ntro endi man so a me and my team 2028 sa 1.3 na munya no my target is to take 400,000 out and I will take it share mo de mo djuma kuma shogbe ya je man ko wa ya ayi mama mako be shogbe we try na go see you mami abadi wa Oba fefefe nebusuafo no so ho mu ko bebia eye Joyce Bawa wo ho nebusuafo nyina da ho te Ghana omuko bebia ombeboa me akyekyere Ghana ende akire wu akyekyedeɛ wei tot akyekyedeɛ wei akyekyedeɛ akwa wei kwase awe kura mu soso ne so edwan odwan we kura mu tena radio so edefend no mo pe ebe na mo hyehye be echi ena we de wa wonim Akufo ade de ye kasa kye na wonte na be ne den politics de politicians are the same mo ha mu fin politicians are the same achichide we abetena so 8 years nkwase ade oyeye mo ntuma nsimubo Mahama bai de monya freedom entakramwa omedwa boy we ye tan no ntumi nye foko odufo na na pia odome ena me so me don na chanchan hina me ba beje odufo ma be chanchan hina amafo be ku omo ho Injan kwasi ampanyi wete so di nkwasi asema wo gare nyina na mo TV so ni radio so bube Samson na nenum kankan se owia hem Samson na nenum kankan wedding day with man kisi na yere Jimmy you come to touch my credibility I am coming there Miako I am coming the also ye be man o twedua na o hia me na ye shege ni ahwe I am coming to my mother's land Moa and obi enya taban okasa obi enya hoden obi aye hard obi atumi akire na adwene akyekyedeɛ we Hebian belt bo I say koliko ede free Mozambique aba motena kwase ampanyi we hu sa 8 years montuma anka nanim anka nchen say hey we busuafo ase som say moa begu aban mu say Ghana no motete Ghana mu nyina no wo ekua poki o wegi say checheku na ase checheku ate say asem yesi Ekua poki o wigi se checheku na ase Jimmy udi nkwasi asem ye 2016 na obebo jantra wa brochire na okaye obeba wa hemu dia wontumi njekura na woji ade ya krata ntira odwan utumi de wani tare dan ne de gina ho ewrade nipa wani tare dan yetumi pem wo na wo mama epem dan epem yeti ade yeti itwe de meyi me de bema eyi Italian money box etu ho kitikiti otenemu uwekua poki wenim dindin sa awiesu 2016 didi nkwasi asem ye Akufo Addo mo de tumi mana na trom obeba wo han mu Maryland utitare dan ho ne board dogi na uti pim ban panyan krata anti alright uti bompa uti wo si so dogi kro na mbo bi da de odi masi akwa yie na hohoro na ho beda ho ubedura broche akwa gina wo so se ogina wo so otwea ena ode wo mama atare da na kanyan oba de hye te se wo krata anti ye bo to so pro wa be gina be wo be ye an ne te America wo sore ende wo de activator koko beta ene de Medisoft afra esra wa hem gina se wo de wa betena broche tete dokurum ye be twa wase I be say mo boda we are starting show is exactly 9:30 in Ghana atichidie we Obvious, wait, this is a tortoise. This is a tortoise. Tortoise. What's spell tortoise? Only tortoise. What is we spell tortoise? This guy is not a tortoise. He's a tortoise. This tortoise, you lived with this tortoise for how many years? And then me and Kanye became mobile faith was see green abe Mahama the old to me yet. Mahama the old to me yet. Now Mahama, you're 2 about 5 days, you know. Mahama, we're taking keso. Abu funu, you're 2 about 14 days, ni. Easy for final results and by Munum can kai muntu min kan chira amene on famra. John Mahama lidi ba umia 2 million votes in Ghana. Insist on the results. What you say? Hey, you could break up. I pick it. Wega, uja ko udie koja ubewu yensensi o Jimmy. This is for the puppet. Oh me, we can come some papa. Wait there. Oh my kai Kobe. Oh, me and my cousin Kobe. Kobe. Me tell me na dancing competition oboa. Na me cousin back we friend Kobe on na good kakra. Ai Kobe no Kobe obi team once we am beating 2 be. Kobe no hard kakra. Kobe. Oh Kobe me fro. Kobe na good kakra. Me Kobe some papa dancing competition. Oboa. Na me from me dancing competition bronya me wini. Oh ya wini ya me wini. because more yibi wo and me more. Yeah. Me we dey Búrñ me wini. Me dey Búrñ dancing competition. Come say papa. Echo Kevin. Na chire girls ama. Me wini dancing competition. Kobi na hard kakra. Kobi no skills be and me try me ntuma. Kobi. Kobi na me fro. Kobi na me fro. Why ye me fro? Hey, me dancing competition. Na me ubana se metutwia. Ubana me tie ya. Ubana metutwia. Metumi tutwia na me jam no maso no maba. Me ada amanfo nim de ekọ. Ita na say Kevin de ono. Ye ne jai we ko metumi ko dancing competition. Embassy pleasure e be dwini. Ye jai we na mu bie embassy pleasure e be wini. Na ye ne start sanyo wenye no. Anhu fi wo akua poki. Ya tumi de ntomago hye mpa ne ebo ochi na wo muma epem ban adan ya wo pepepa. Ai dia wonya bi da nyina na wo ye wo nice nipa kon ho ya de ntomago hye mpa tiri ene ye ebo ochi panyan we de be nden ye cha ba buruchiri wo be biebie wa no ha o bodam. All right, let's do the Jew. Mena mbana na ko club med omo nwumi wa dan se nwumbre bi on pese me to bad say nwum no I gonna know if you be my girl wo nwumbre bi ankofo ko da kire me ne omo yes exercise so say eh ja mo nya like chance ba anaju bia bedtime story we o che to club med nwum no I wanna know if you be my girl. Wait, tete. Na nkora we migina nkora we dem say, hey, me nipa nkofo di mi o. I'm say that fro kono wan nkofo be dem say, hey, Jack. Remember no? Okay, all right now. Me to show me this say nkofo feel me come me say, oh, ta me o. Na that come to me sorry. No aba no pa. Obehwe be nima. Kevin me say, yeah, good morning. Me say, hey. Come in here side and pa second one no. Otumi nante ba bedroom anadwo anopa na me jada me tirim so time na me check the ekọ then otumi be gina Kevin me say yeah good morning me say oh, good morning na wa dan no ho me hwe ne sam say hey akwa we wo dia fa yi o aha na has a problem one tra America for na mumra no me na be gina no padi to be say hey good morning we try me move from Kevin keke no me Kevin Taylor Mr. Taylor oh but Kevin I ultimate dream was Debbie from say pop Bishan some say hey that me sure himself yeah how are you wouldn't be because yeah how are you hey Miss Opa was how can we think it we can do them all right, let's take our business now. There's something I want us to talk about, very important, and it's got to do with in your maybe AC Tema Port. Tema Port. Right now, as I speak to you, no vehicles are what Tema Port, and this goes to the boggers. And Abana Mufre Fie, catch a few for say, Omoma Ede, Obobusian for, and Toma John Mahama, any idea. I majority of you boggers are Moto Abano. My wife had texted my dear anniversary. Majority, my wife will have shown you guys. Who artist me to member, or who's a bit to me, Manu Club. I Manu. Now, my wife for him to be out. Every day my wife to watch me. Me feel yeah. So there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening in the say? You're fluid. You're into maintaining your muscle. Cars, some of the banana containers, some of the banana. Abain be baba, obetium sufre. Send a bear musum between your mabefia, munianum, and mubusian for so at least they can get something doing. Because we all know that the shipping and export or the importing of stuff into Ghana, no, one way or the other, it creates jobs for other people back home. And we have seen the decline the number of containers about to me because of the high taxes are more the car could report and there is something we are bogger not so a bogger papa wouldn't say from 2012 all the way to 2016 boggers were able to bring containers home almost to me clear without any hustle until sa achichidie we twice on a year abozege mobile power and we saw the increment in everything at the port. Now boggers mena me mam information muntie me, and this is the time you need to let your voices be heard because media can give the facts. It's up to us to push. And this goes to the NDC administration coming into office. Now, there's something happening at the Tema port. And what is happening, they say, in Nkofo we are moving from my no. Céasë what Tema port, bogus, dia, pesika be, they are taking the cars out and giving to their party people. De mamba. So, Tema port is here. There are a lot of cars. Right now, as we speak, this NPP government, they are moving all the cars out. So our car did 2 days crowd. And what they are doing now, and they say they know they are leaving power. They know they are getting out. More cars port they are finding way to say the more acho. Way delay. And that is what they are doing now. In fact, I think 2020 there was one gentleman, a near friend, a year konkonsa. No, you more Jubilee House, Mokai. That guy and the ding Eddie Dominic upon J. As somewhere around 2020 in the sea. That guy is in America right now, and I see him every day. And the time will be due. Because you see, that guy not Oyejumo Jubilee House. This is the guy. This guy. Sorry. Name. Picture. Yeah, this is the guy. And he lives here in America. Now Oyejumo Jubilee House. He was in charge of transport. The dean Eddie Dominic Oponweje. I've heard they say, Jubilee House, I'm an Besha America. He's here. And I'll try and get you people his address. The crime this guy committed in Ghana, Besha America, no? I'm telling you, we didn't see that. That way he was in charge. And before I'm about Tema port issue, what these people do into when it comes to cars, bogus, listen to me. And the Mahama administration, they are ready to help. But these people, no, some money and conform, nama monitor. Mobeka se Mahama dimu boni, Mahama nyemoshe. Let us monitor these people because boni omudi nisisiano. In the next 2-3 weeks, no, aseme besino. You people will have no idea. And a beya saboga okawa bruchri. Na at the end of the day, yeah, they check MPP girl. Yeah, they check MP ladies for Baumia, ladies for Akufo. A beya sa obeba na oka, o the Range Rover ba. Or the V8 aba, or the DND aba, near their check party nibi because omnim some free power. There's a reason why I make a first story where about this gentleman, no ye Juma or a Jubilee House. Now, oh yeah, in charge of air and transport. So man, we at a point, cars a year about 16 a year V8s, where we actually in Irae. Tony excavators by 18. This guy. Saadi any see, some more story now. And a free more pare, a catch media houses in and nobody should report the story because majority of the cars no, not free more pare, yet them or ogotonye. Ain't it? Omo Saadi see, and a omo kill story no. In fact, the story was published in the news. These are the cars Dodua Abrantiwe, Tema na or head of transport, Jubilee House. We are ever seen now. We don't know where all these cars are. I'll come to the Tema port issue. Me chow bibi. Okay. So Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number. Sakas na under that guy. Saga I'm doing the picture chire no ye head of transport or Jubilee House no. Kasa owia ya ye hu cars na chibium. 18 excavators ebe sin de ye hu bium. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number blah blah blah. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis. These V8s ne Sakas when you be sin de ye hu bium. That is why Fremont Paramacas or Mesha America. In as I speak, this guy are not our friend Konkonsa and the Eddie Dominic upon which are not the head of transport. Jubilee House. He's in America here. And all these cars as we speak, we can't find it. We cannot find them. They are gone. The excavators are gone. And this guy is hiding here with the money.